Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome all of you in the class. Today in this lesson I'm going to teach you all of the tenses in the English language. And for each tense I'll show you the form, its different uses, and will share you example sentences as well to help you fully understand. So it will be my combined class for 11th and 12th grade. Now if you are ready, then let's begin. Now, before we get into the lesson, here is the definition of tense actually. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus. So the originally the word has come from Latin, which means tempus, the time actually. It denotes the time of action of verb at present or in future or being in past. So here is the chart showing all of the tenses. There are three times: present, past, and future. And it's four aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So the times and the aspects, when they combine, they all make the 12 tenses in English. The present time and the simple aspect make the present simple tense. Then we have the present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Similarly, in the same way, we can make tenses with the past and future times as well. So we are going to discuss all of these in this lesson. Now let's begin with the first tense with present simple. Now, present simple forms the first type of tense actually, and the present simple tense we make with a subject and a verb. In subject, we have I, you, we, they, he, she, or it, and a verb in a present or the V1 form. For example, I drink coffee every morning, or Kathy works as a teacher. Now, notice in sentence number 2, we have works with S. Now, in this present tense, if the subject is I, you, we, or they, we use a verb without S. That's why we use I drink in sentence number 1. Now, if the subject is he, she, or it, as you can see on the visual, or it, we add S to the verb. Like a Kathy is a female name, it's like saying she. So we said Kathy works. Now for the first sentence here talks about a habit or a routine, something that I do regularly or we do regularly. So the second sentence is a fact. Kathy works as a teacher, is a fact about her life. Now there are these are actually two main uses of the present simple tenses. Here are few more examples of habits and routines. Sean goes to the beach on Sundays, and children often play video games after school. And here are some more facts like you sing very well. Now it is said as a fact about someone's ability. And water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Notice that this last sentence is a fact about the world. So, facts can be about people or they can be about things in the world. So, that is the present simple tense. Hope it is clear to you. So, the next tense is present continuous tense, and we make the present continuous tense with a subject plus am, is, or are, plus a verb in the continuous or ing form. We say like I am, he, she, it is, or you, we, they are. For example, I am drinking coffee right now. So this sentence shows the first use of the present continuous to talk about actions happening now at the time of speaking. Right now, if I'm speaking, so this will be my action and the time of action. So this is not a general statement. It's not about my coffee drinking habit actually. It's about what's happening at this moment when I'm drinking coffee. So here are few more examples. We are having breakfast and it's raining outside. These sentences also express what's happening now. So this is the first use of present continuous. Now, the second use is to talk about temporary activities like Arun is learning to play the guitar. It means Arun is taking, sorry, guitar lessons actually, maybe twice a week. So he is in the process of learning to play instrument. Now, a couple more examples like I'm watching a really interesting TV series at the moment, or my sister is staying with us for a couple of weeks. Now, the third use of present continuous is to describe changes that are taking place or happening now. Like English lessons on YouTube are becoming very popular these days. So it means that the popularity of English lessons on YouTube is increasing. So here are a few more examples like the price of crude oil is falling rapidly, or the scientists say that the earth is getting warmer. So remember that the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening now, or about temporary activities or the changes that are taking place. So I hope present continuous tense is also clear to you. All right, so we have discussed the present simple and present continuous tenses. Hope you enjoyed and learned today's lesson. We'll learn the other types of tenses in our coming classes, inshallah. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.